Hi friends, this video shows how to set light or illumination. So this is the LED light. So I am going to connect this LED light to this microscope. So let me test this LED light. See. So here you can see one switch. And here we can control brightness. See. So I am going to connect this LED light to this microscope. So first here on bottom you can see one mirror. We have to remove this mirror. We can just pull this. That way we can remove this mirror. Just pull. See. Then I am going to connect this LED light. Just push. So here you can see one hole. Let me focus. See. So there we have to insert this. That's all. Done. See. Then we can adjust the angle. Okay, done. So this way we can set light or illumination. So I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please check it.